Good morning, everyone. Everybody are fine and staying home. Today again start our virtual class. Last 2 days we are already discussed the French alphabets and their sound, and with the help of French alphabets make some words. A to Z, the French alphabets we have already discussed their sound and make some words with the help of these words A to Z. So today we discuss the numbers. That is very important topic, the numbers. At first bring your copy. Today's date, put the date. Today's date is 23rd July 2020. Day is Thursday. Subject is French. Today topic numbers 1 to 10. So everybody open your copy. I write in the board, you write in your copy. Okay? See the board properly. And when I discuss 1 to 10, pronunciation, writing, you have to clearly see that. If you any problem, any doubt, just communicate the teacher app. I rectify your problem. And after the class, I have to send it by homework assignment app by snapshot. Okay? See the board. Today only discuss numbers. Numbers 1 to 10 today discuss. Next day 11 to 20. One, UN or UNE. At first I write it. Everybody at first write it. When I pronounce, you pronounce with me. Okay? UN or UNE. Then DEUX. DEUX. 3. TROIS. TROIS. 4. QUATRE. 4. 5. CINQ. English spelling and French spelling in 6, 7. Okay? UN or UAD. A or UN. I repeat again. UN A or UNE UN. I again repeat. UN A or UNE UN. Okay? DEUX they. DEUX they. I again repeat. DEUX they. EUXA, so DEUX they. Okay? OIS wa, so ROIS roa, so TROIS troa. I again repeat. OIS wa, OIS wa, so ROIS roa. So troys, troa, troa. Okay. Then qua, ka, tre, tra. qua, tre, tra, quatre. I again repeat, qua, ka, tre, tra, quatre, quatre. in, so cin, san. Q, ka, sank, sank. cin, san. Q, ka, sank. in, so cin, san. Q, ka, sank, sank. six, cease, six, cease, cease. 7, sept, set, sept, set, sept, set. 8, with, huit, with, huit, with, huit, with. neuf, naf, neuf, naf. dix, this, dix, this. So I repeat again, un or uni, un or uni, un. eux a, so dux they. ois wa, rois roa, trois troa, troa. qua ka, tre, quatre, quatre. in, so cin, san. Q, ka, sank, sank. six, cease, six, cease. sept, set, sept, set. sept, set. huit, with, huit, with. neuf, naf, neuf, naf. dix, this, dix, this. So I think everybody understand the pronunciation from 1 to 10. So you have to practice in your home 1 to 10. Okay. I repeat again, un, deux, they, trois, troa, ois wa, so rois roa, trois troa. qua tre, tra, quatre. qua tre, quatre. in, cin, san. Q, sank, sank. six, cease, six, cease. sept, set, sept, set. 8, huit, with, huit, with. naf, neuf, naf, neuf, naf. dix, this, dix, this. So 1 to 10 today cover. So you have to practice in your home 1 to 10. Next day we start 11 to 20. At first you have to memorize 1 to 10. You have to written practice, not oral, because you have no oral, only written. So you have to practice with spelling. With spelling you have to practice. Then if you have any problem, just communicate the teacher, I rectify your problem. But at first you have to practice 10 to 15 minutes in every day, because this is the foreign language. If you not practice, you not understand properly. Okay. So today we discuss 1 to 10. You have to practice in your home every day with 10 to 15 minutes. Next day, that will be next Thursday, we start 11 to 20. Write it carefully. Repeat again once again. UN or UNE, Yun, DEUX, they, TROIS, Troa, QUA, TRE, Katre, IN, CIN, Sank, Sank, SIX, SEPT, Seth, HUIT, with, NEUF, NAF, DIX, this. So you practice in your home in 10 to 15 minutes. If you any problem, any doubt, no hesitate, just communicate the teacher. I rectify your problem. But you have to practice every day 10 to 15 minutes. Okay? Till then, bye bye.